Hi parents, Teacher Auni here. So today we're going to be learning a new goal. Today we're going to learn how to spell words based on the picture shown. So we are going to spell a VCC word. It is a vowel plus consonant plus another consonant. Let's get started. Hi parents, let's get started with how to teach children how to spell words based on the pictures given. So remember, introduce the pictures, encourage the spelling, and then reward when they got it correct. So let's get started with the first example. Alright, so how do we introduce this picture? So children, do you know what this is? Yes, it's an ant. How do we spell ant? Good. We start with an A. A, N, ant. T, ant. Good job. Now let us do other words and other pictures. Alright, let us practice again. What picture is this? Correct. It's ants. How do we spell ants? A, N, N, T, ant. Good job. N, T. Good. You can get your reward. Now, next is this picture. What could this be? Yes, this is ink. Now, how do we spell ink? I-E-N-N. Cake. Ink. Great. Next one. We have, what is this oval shape? Good, it's an egg. How do we spell egg? Jig. Jig. Egg. Great. Last one. What could this be? Yes, it's an owl. Let's start spelling. O W L L. Owl. Good job. You can get your reward.